All right, guys. Jared Tries Trading. Thanks for tuning in. This Friday, we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to try and call this Friday play-by-play. We'll see how it works out, how the finished product looks. It's probably going to be ass, but I just wanted to try something new and not just do a regular old recap. So it's going to be a bunch of chopped up clips of pretty much my entries, a little bit of my watch list, how I'm feeling throughout the day, when I'm expecting it to go down and it goes straight up right after I get in, a little bit of that. I don't know how long the video is going to be, but stick around, and at the end I'm doing a little bit of a Friday recap, and there'll be another video after this covering my week. So stick around for that. I hope this is helpful, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Peace. All right, I'm back. 6:57 a.m. Pacific time. I usually wait 30 minutes after the open to see what the market's doing. So far, it's looking bullish. Bullish 1OP cross. Bullish stochastic cross as well. Right now, I don't see anything that I could take that has a good entry. Let's look at our list real quick. 14th. Yeah, Chevron's strong as hell. Cop. These might be ready for a little pullback if I want to go long. But again, I want a better entry on these, so I'm just going to have to wait it out. And, as a novice, this is day trading right here. So I'll be back. 7:09. And this is the toughest part about trading, man. Look at COP. COP's on my list. I wanted to go long on it, but I haven't personally felt like I have an opportunity to enter. I could get in right now, lean on the daily, but I'm going to have to sit through some pullbacks, and it's just about being patient. So that's what we're doing. Hurry up and wait. Damn it, Jared. All you had to do was get in the damn trade. If you look at it, by the end of the day, that shit rallied, and it would have been a profitable trade. Did have a nasty pullback, but I don't have a crystal ball. I eventually didn't even trade this stock, even though it was the one I found in the morning, and it was strong as hell to close out the day. Who knows? Why'd you do that, Jared? I don't know. This is why trading is a hard-ass job, and it's easier said than done. And if you had a crystal ball, of course you'd do it right, but that was me this morning. What's up, squad? A couple minutes later again. Happy to report that my pins trade is finally working. I am up $1. I've held this stock for a few days now. Hopefully we can get some follow through, and I'll look to take some profit if we get to maybe 5-10%. Or it could turn green and consolidate. I'll be back. Good job, genius. You did it. You were patient. You held. And you actually got out for a $30 gain after it being down $300. Good job, my man. All right, guys. It's 7:24 a.m. I'm liking what I see on Disney. May break through this little compression here. If we could get a follow through that, I might look to go short. Let's double check the daily. Huge gap down. Red day getting weaker versus SPY. Let's check SPY. Still in a bullish cycle, but we have a bearish engulfing candle here. I think I'm gonna go short on Disney. Let's go. One put for 540. Got filled on that with a 0.81 or negative 0.81 delta. And that's for January 21st. So let's see what happens on this. I'll let you guys know when I close it out. Alright guys, it's like 2 minutes later. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take my Disney profits here It's up 5%, which is a nice $30 to start the day. So let me close that out. Selling it for $5.70. Got out of that for a nice $30 profit. Can barely see the move, but on my TOS, it made a nice, well, obviously I took 30 cents on it, but I don't like that SPY. I wanted SPY to finish with a quick big red bar, and I don't like how it's turning into a doji. Probably wanted to wait to see what this candle does, but I'm happy with 5%, $30. Good shit, my guy. Looks like you took a good trade. You didn't follow any pros into it, and you actually took $30, 30 cents with you. That's your money, and you need it now. You know what I'm saying? Bam. So you did leave money on the table, but who's not going to take $30 in like a couple minutes? $10 a minute? That's a good payday. Good job, buddy. Yo. 7:55 a.m. I just want to point something out. Remember, I had some FOMO trying to get into COP. Well, this is why you wait for a pullback. After this bar, I was like, oh, it might be a good chance to get in. I went to go look at SPY, and SPY wasn't exactly bullish, so prevented me from getting into a bad trade. But sometimes I take that and lose money, so that's all part of learning the game. You fool! Man, why didn't you just pay attention to the stock longer? If you look at this, of course it was tanking. SPY was pulling back, bounced with SPY, but down here later in the day, this was the trade of the day, man. Right here, get in right here. SPY found support, bam. You would have rode, man, what is that, like $4? You probably would have got out right here though. So still, $3-4, you missing out, buddy. Can't believe you. All right, I think I found a trade I'm gonna take. I have a buy signal here on option stalker 1 West Hour 0. Ticker is TSM. Let's check the daily out real quick. Big gap up, but we had a red day in the market yesterday, and today defended the gap. Lots of buyers stepping in. So let's check out the options we have. I'm gonna go to the 28th of January. Actually, we'll go for the 21st. 0.74 delta. I don't really like these spreads though. I'm gonna go 28th January. 0.70 delta. Not enough volume there. Guess I'll go 0.68 delta for $4.95. See if I get filled. All right, I got filled at $4.95 on one call contract, 140 strike. Let's see what happens here. I'm just gonna let it ride. Yeah, you're gonna let it ride? Is that what you're gonna do? Idiot. Check this out. I got in right here. Look at the rest of the day. Wah, 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 wah. And even when SPY found support, it did not participate. So I think I was supposed to exit here, or maybe even exit here. This is in hindsight. I'm way smarter now. But not sure what happened here. But now I'm down 300 on this. So how can I avoid this? Well, I think this is a double top, lower high, which I think indicates resistance or reversal, something of the sort. I could have used HA candles once these bars started stacking here for an exit, because you can always exit and get back in. So I think that was my issue. And at the time, or when it started going against me, I didn't want to take like a $40 loss because I want to keep my win rate high. So I'm trying to balance the two. This was a mistake to hold it, especially I think my cutoff should have been when it didn't bounce with SPY here. But you live and you learn. I think reviewing these in real time like this is going to be helpful. All right, it's 8:43 a.m. I'm looking at CAT. It's been consolidating all day, compressing. I see some stacked red bars here. The daily strong as hell. Had some good days past couple days. I'm looking to go long. Let's take it out to 28th of January. No, those are expensive as shit. 21st of January. Let's do the 222.50 strikes by 1.81 delta. I'm in there at 645. So if this can continue its strength as it showed in the past couple of days, I'll look to ride this probably until close. Again, let's look at SPY. SPY is doing a whole lot of nothing, but if this is support here, right here at low a day, also at open, maybe we could get some traction here. If not, I'm happy with holding CAT for the next week. I'll let you guys know what else I close. Let's look at TSM real quick. I'm getting shitted upon by TSM. All right, y'all. It is 9:01 a.m. I'm going to go ahead and take a break. My last 3 trades kind of went against me right away. And, you know, that's a sign I need to step away, reassess the market. The market's just chopping around anyways, so I need to chill out, reset, and come back a little bit later. All right, 9:48 a.m. Welcome back to Play-by-Play Fridays. Oh my God, my transition isn't working. What the fuck? Okay, here we go. I just added a position in PayPal. This was on my list earlier today. Broke through this horizontal support right here on the daily. Relatively weak. Stacking red bars, drifting down. Doesn't matter what SPY's doing. Well, it did rally a little bit, but overall really weak. Below all the SMAs. Also, SPY. SPY is, oh, nice big red bar here. So my shorts might have a chance if we could break some of these lows. My longs are in trouble though, but if my shorts can cover the losses on the longs, it's all good. So I took a position in PayPal, and what else? I added to my position in Starbucks. Bam, it's what I love to see, stacked red bars. Let's get down to this low a day, and hopefully we'll get out of this trade. Damn, bro, you sound really smart to dumb people. All right, it's 9:59 a.m. I just took profits in PayPal. Nice couple candles. I was in there for like 10-15 minutes, right? I took $80, which was a nice 10% gain. I'm not sure what SPY is going to do here. It's right there at low a day, or at the open. And there's a bullish cross on the 1OP right here, or now it's going to be a bearish cross, but I'm cool with my 10% gain. $80, I'll take it. Bam. All right, guys, it is 1:18 p.m. right after market close. I'm tired. It's pretty tough doing this play-by-play thing, especially when you start, or you feel like you're doing bad. But after I see my stats on the day, it's actually not too bad. But I do have some swings that I have that are severely in the red, and we'll deal with those when we get to the bridge. So if you made it this far, appreciate you for watching. Let's go ahead and get into the recap for the week. Bam. This was today's stats. Above 80% win rate. It's exactly what we want. 166 profit. Actually, this AEO trade here, I bought 5 lottos for like 9 cents each. It didn't go my way, so they should expire worthless. And I think the loss here should be around $42 or maybe $49, something like that. So this is like 110 as far as net return net. But it's a green day, and I'm not mad at that. my win rate probably goes down into the 70s, but I think we're still good. I was in a blender today. I felt like I was doing worse than this. So I started doing some stupid lottos, and I still have these that I need to handle next week. The option stalker platform's actually down right now, so I'm not going to be able to get into the charts or anything. But let's see, PayPal was a great trade, 9%. Let's get in here real quick. Relative strength. Actually, it was relative weakness. Nice little move. Oh, Jared, why didn't you get up over here and then get out perfectly? I don't got no crystal ball, man. I get in when I see it, and I get out when I feel like the indicator's telling me to, and I feel like the market might go against me. So is that fear? I don't know. If it's a 9% win, I'm not going to complain about that. So maybe it's something I need to work on, or it probably is something I need to work on. But at this time, keeping my win rate high, I'm taking my damn base hits. I'm happy about that. Another one. Cat was a good one for me. I was patient on this one. Relative strength, option. I did leave money on the table here. But again, what I saw, I mean, from where I held it at this high, bought into strength, this whole pullback while SPY was pulling back, I held it for the majority of the way up. So I got out with a nice 5% win, $35. Cannot complain about that. Another one, let's see, my pins trade. This was the swing that I was so worried about. I was like minus 300 on it. Let's see if it'll show the trade. I just want to show you guys the pain I endured to get this to positive. So again, I went short with one put contract, so I was betting it was going to go down. As soon as I got in, bam, rally, weak, well, consolidating, rally more, weak, added up here, and I'm sure it was this move, added again into weakness, bam, and it finally made it back to profit. What did I get out at? $30. Hey, this thing was against me like minus 200, 300. So being patient with it, adding when I felt like it was confirming it was weak, and getting out right here. I left money on the table, but shit, I didn't know what the market was doing. Today I was in a blender. I could not read it. The pros were saying bearish, but they're taking long trades. Like, I'm gonna stop paying attention to the chat room and just focus on what I see. So that's going to be a change for next week, but good trade, patient, let it work. Starbucks, this one went against me. I was patient with it, and it came back around. Relative weakness, option. Bam, bought into this weakness, created a reversal hammer right here, bounced. I added again as soon as it was making its next leg down, and eventually was able to get out for a tiny profit, $14. That's fine with me. I was severely negative here, 80 to 100, $150 right there, so cool with that. And my swings, I have Rocket, that's to the short side. I have one contract put. If the market opens down next week, this will be hopefully my winner. If the market opens up, I have COP. I got it right at the close. Super strong daily. I can't show it to you right now, but trust me, it's super strong. This one again, this is supposed to be closed by now. Just waiting on the broker. And then TSM, this one is against me a lot. I think I'm down. Let's see, I'm down 281 on it. But if I'm leaning on the daily, pretty much need a bullish week in SPY, or else I'm going to be in trouble. So that's pretty much what happened today. Now let's do actually, I'm going to end this video right here, and I'm going to do another video that's the weekly recap with my mistakes and how I feel I can improve for next week. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good 3-day weekend. I'll be back on Tuesday. And enjoy.